Homemade herbal oil for hair growth and hair care. For this, you need a bunch of hibiscus leaves with flowers, neem leaves, tulasi, and a bunch of drumstick leaves. Also add curry leaves. I have forgotten to show it in this. You have to boil all this in coconut oil. I have used store-bought coconut oil. You can either dry these leaves and make a powder and boil in coconut water, or do this procedure which I am showing now. Take the required amount of coconut oil and heat it. When the oil starts boiling, add the mixture of leaves. Don't forget to add the curry leaves. You have to boil it very well so that the essence of the leaves get dissolved in the coconut oil. Keep stirring on medium flame. Boil it. Once done, sieve the mixture out when cooled and use the oil for your hair. 100% natural hair care oil. Try it out. You'll see the result by yourself.